Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to find Huntington account and routing number. Open the website, then log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for My Accounts. Under My Accounts, you will see an option for your Huntington checking account. Click on your checking account. On the right side of this page, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Account Numbers and More. Then a pop-up window will appear. There you will see your Huntington account and routing number. That's how you find your Huntington account and routing number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.